Hi everybody, in the Clio there's a problem with the windshield wipers hose, that it's brittle and broken. In this video I do my best to show you how you can run your own wire, 6mm wire, and fix the problem. Now the car is on jack stands. You put the jack here and the jack stand on the lift point here. Now I remove the wheel. Now I remove these clips with my special plier. You also got 2 screws here underneath. Now you peel this off. So if you got a bad pump, this is the part you want to replace. Very easy. One wire goes to the back, to the rear windshield. This is the front windshield. You need to follow the line and replace it. It goes all the way here to the side and goes here and goes to this part, okay, all the way here. Okay, this part you don't need to remove all the way. You got screw here and this clips with the special tools, with these tools, very helpful. You just need to peel it back a little bit, okay. This line goes to the back, we don't need that, but over here this goes up. This is the line we want. Now I release this. There's one clip here and you got screw over here. Need to remove. Okay, now you need to remove this piece. This piece goes, pull it gently towards you, okay. This metal clips here, metal clips, slowly, don't break it. Now, as you can probably see, wait, let me focus. This is the hose. It goes down to the car. Now this is optional. I connected the 2 lines, and now I can, from this angle over here, fish the wire by pulling it very gently. You don't have to do it, but it's helpful. Save you some time. Now you can see I managed to fish the wire to here. Now I just need to run it here all the way up and down to the pump. So now the line in place. Now I put back the fender cover, both of them. I also reconnect the wire here, the new wire that I put. Now we go test it. Moment of truth. We got liftoff. Now we need to return the wheel, lower the car, and the job is done. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. And I'll see you guys like always in the next video.